What is going on, YouTube? So Brady and I just got home from a car meet. It started at 1. Got kicked out around like 3:30, and then went and drove around town and all that stuff. But watching a TJ Hunt video, and he was like, if you want to be successful at stuff, you gotta kind of put more time into it. Sorry, I have my cat in my face, but you gotta put time into it. I want to be successful on this YouTube thing, so I went ahead and bought a microphone so we can mic up the cars when we're doing like driving around videos. Also, I want to get into the habit of driving around and shooting video while driving around a little bit more than I have, or a lot more than I have, because I never really do it. So we're going to go ahead and take his car to Target, and then we'll have the exhaust mic'd up. We'll use my GoPro Hero 2 to drive this microphone, and then we'll just put it in the back, and then we'll have the exhaust noise, and then I'm not sure if I'll mute the camera noise and just give you like exhaust notes, just because I don't know if you guys want to hear like the noise that's coming from the cabin and music and our talking, but we'll see how that works, and if we can just rig up the exhausts, and if that works, then I'll use it on my turbo, my exhaust, all of that stuff, so it'll be a really sweet setup for the videos. I just filmed like a whole minute and I wasn't even recording. It was stupid. Anyway, we're gonna take his Jetta out to Target with this GoPro little mic setup, and we'll mic up the exhaust so it sounds pretty cool. So yeah,
hopefully it sounds cool. I don't know, you just said that.
It sounds cool, Brady.
Okay.
I've heard it from the outside. It sounds real nice. Alright guys, so what I did, we should probably do a little bit better of a job with this wire, but we're just going to Target, so it'll be fine. And then the GoPro is just going to be like sitting near the back seat, and we'll just press record, and then we'll drive over there, and then I'll sync up the audio from this camera to that, or the sound coming out of that, so it should hopefully work.
Fuck, it's cold.
That's the noise we make to sync up the audio. You'll hear me chirp. It'll be good. It'll be nice and synced, guys. Can you see that? That's the A-OK sign. Anyway, this is a, what was it? What year is this?
2000 and a 2003 engine.
Word.
Back into its
VR6, if you guys can't hear that. And it sounds real good. It's got a catback exhaust, maybe like 2.5 inch with dual, like 2-inch tips or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, we don't go street racing. We're not about that life. Our cars are super slow, so we can't race anybody, but they sound good.
Yeah, they do.
This will be the one time to get rear end.
Like, what the f was was that noise at the end?
Like my fucking $7 microphone. What the
Sick red light you just ran, dude.
If you're gonna run red lights, at least go fast.